Mariah, say hi. I'm filming this awesome walk. Wait, what bird? Oh, poor bird. Yeah, where? Where's the bird? Oh, yeah. You can see that. Yeah, I'm guessing that's the bird. Do not walk up dam. It says do not walk up dam.
And a shoe.
How are we supposed to walk up the dam if it's already right there and it's blocked off? That's kind of silly. Oh, there's it again. Do not walk up dam. Access near flagpole.
Again? The heck?
Oh, it's getting filled up. Is that supposed to be the sewer?
Oh, that's the dam.
Yeah, that's the dam.
Don't think I'm tendency. Hey, in.
Come on, what's this? Right, pretend to be a statue. Okay, get off.
Wait. Wrong area.
Okay, stop that. So I don't. Stop. What?
Leon, that's not nice.
I didn't even actually do it.
Well, look what you tapped it. Why she's trying to drink it?
She was actually pretending.
Just spitting it out because it looks funny.
Right, can I have some water?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks.
Gimme
There you
some
go.
time. I was just saying, gimme. And then I realized, gimme.
Oh gosh. Please stop. Right, what was that face?
This one,
Yeah.
it's a nerd emoji.
No, the nerd emoji has glasses with
So
his
do
eyes open. Levi, can you please stop?
Can you do this?
Stop doing that weird sound again.
Hold.
Okay.
Drink all you
No,
want,
we
but
couldn't go. We had a turtle race. But we couldn't go. We released a bunch of turtles. What was that?
Another one of those bench.
There's a lot in there.
Go, Mariah!
Okay, I'm gonna try. Leon, do you wanna try it cheer for me?
Go, Levi! Go, Levi! Go, Levi!
It's
Go.
not gonna make it. I'm scared.
Ha! Just silly.
Let me try. Sweaty hands? Okay, here we go.
Good roast. So, what did you just say to Levi?
I said,
Go, Mariah! Go, Levi! Go, Levi! Go, Mariah!
I'll let Levi go. Never mind.
Go, Mariah! Go, Mariah! Woo! Woo! Go, Mariah! Go, Mariah! Woo! Woo!
Too much sand.
Oh, cats!
There's a lot of things down on this tree.
Yep.
Imagine someone like
Hey, Mariah, catch!
imagine someone like fixing the video She makes the video.
Oh, go, Mama!
Like something. My core. Me core.
Something like that.
Dog. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's cats.
Sorry, you want a battle? 3, 2, 1. I won. I'm supposed to watch all of the
No.
I think it's sent to its mama.
Oh. Leave it alone. You just scared off the village kitty.
How could you, Levi? Oh, now they're heading back to the path. They're following the other kitty. They're heading back to the other. I think they're wild kitties. They're wild cats. We're calling them the cat gang.
It's the cat train. Yum, 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 yum.
Oh gosh. Right, I think we'll call those groups of cats. If you see a multiple cats, call them the cat gang.
No, it's the cat train and the. Well, call them both. The cats are following each other. Call them the cat. Oh, more kitties. If the cat is running, and there's like 3 piles to 4 to 1 to 2. Them right now. It's humans. We better run before they catch us. If it's multiple, it's friendly. In a group form, call the group.
The cats.
The cat thing. The cat. Oh, run, run.
Get over here! Like that.
I think that's a cat.
That's not a cat.
What is it, a cat? Scared. Humans. Stuff humans. And the precise of humans.
Right? Don't say
And
that.
the kids are walking around. Yeah, yeah.
A dwarf.
Ooh.
Want to hold or want to drink?
Hi.
Hi.
1, 2, 3, 4. Say hi to Grandma. Come here.
Hi, Grandma.
Leave.
Hi, Grandma.
Salah.
Hi.
They're taking pictures over there also. I think you're seeing your pictures or something.
And there was kitties. There was kitties. Kitties.
Alright, hold on, Levi. Levi, wait.
Hi. Kutas.
I think okay.
Cooties.
I think we have 5. Alright. You go real quick.
Oh.
See any ducks? Yeah.
Sand? Nah.
Alright, go.
Wait.
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Thanks.
Sorry.
Hi. Hello. Hi.
Hi. Waka. We waka.
Waka waka. But
We're taking Grandma on a walk with us too.
We waka with Grandma.
you're funny, Grandma. You're funny.
Grandma.
Yeah. Grandma, you're funny.
Is it okay if Liam records you?
No. Bring up some energy.
Okay.
We're already past.
Mommy, I'm ready to go. Mommy,
She's far away, Mariah. How am I supposed to record
I
her?
was like, well, there's a trail we could put the scooter on, and then I looked at it and I was like, oh, that trail looks like it's dirt, so I was like, we can walk. Y'all want to put out this energy? Helps me too, because if I take it to the skate park, I'm just sitting there because I don't have a skateboard.
I want to get those.
We need to get them all helmets and knee pads and elbow pads.
I already have a bike. Leon,
Oh.
if you had a skateboard, would you look cool?
Yeah.
How's the back gonna be like your school? How's the back
It is
have a
pretty.
skateboard?
Oh gosh.
Really protected, but you have to be like technically safe.
What it is. What kind of birth facility?
Ooh. Oh yeah, from my old YouTube channel. Remember, Mariah?
Look,
I
look at
did.
these two butts. Stop putting it on the
Say
walkway.
my name.
What butts?
Name.
I don't see any butts.
Yeah.
Y'all,
I just,
I'm
I
Nikki
know,
Kid,
just showed up one
and guess
day.
what? I'm working with my brother.
Huh.
In a way.
Well, you know our phones would be switched soon, right?
Try not to cut too much
I
out.
know. I wish I could have an account though
Come this way.
on your phone, but I can't because I'm too young.
I remember my pen, at least.
But Leon, if our phones get switched, I'm gonna tell you my password. Well, if it gets into,
I'll put in my pen.
but you have to tell me too, mommy.
I don't know your pen.
Oh, yeah, and I'll never. Don't say that. Then whenever it's ZB.
Or there might be a chance. Mariah, calm down. There might be a chance you might keep your phone, and I might have a new one.
It's a W. Squirrel.
Oh, shoot. It keeps dodging the cameras. Oh, there it is. Oh, wait. No, it's gone. It's the master of disguises.
Come get your money so I cookie dough.
Can you not get behind Levi? He's gonna block the camera view, and you'll only see the back.
Hey, Levi.
Yeah.
Can you stop for a sec? I want to say a few questions.
Don't put in my.
No, I need you to stop. Hey!
Or
You put sand all over me. No?
Now, what's the question?
So the question was, just get past you. Because you're blocking my view.
put it down. Put it down.
Because then
We're not picking up sand and dirt.
And I think on my face too.
Yeah, I deal enough with this at work. I can deal with this at home too.
if I tell you right now, then people would, whenever people have my phone.
You don't know your
You tell me
pen.
about the medicine.
No, because if I tell you right in the video,
You
I'm
crazy.
probably gonna later on. My account been hacked, so nobody would know my pen. Yeah. My pen has changed, by the way. Are your video on track? Leon's password is 911. Leon's password is 911, by the way.
I haven't even been an hour, Levi. And Levi, you're blocking my view with that butt.
Why are you looking?
They made you wear it,
That's
or you wore it?
Oh,
They made you
God.
wear it, or you just bought it for yourself? Come on, Flo, we got water in the car.
Now don't block the camera view or else your butt will get in the video, Levi. Well, why is claiming Leo saying the butt? He's talking about somebody else's butt. Yeah. This is being Leo, boy. Leo.
Doody butt, what doody? Yeah. And jizz in my eye.
Oh, like 100 spots. Oh, swing. Bonnie was a Leon swinging.
Okay.
Not yet.
delicious. Alright, get off it. Or I'll dump your water out in the pool. Catch. Oh. I'll try to catch.
Fine, I'm drinking all the water left.
I already drank a bit, so. I'm pretty well smart. Parkour.
All you feel. Which is stupid.
First place. Wait, no, second place. Wait, he's about to catch up. She's first place.
I made hash browns and ate an egg.
You're second place.
I guess
Do a flip.
Or what? I started feeling shaky. I'm like, the heck? All right, come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. I guess I'll tell the doctor.
Dehoy.
Go give me an insurance card. Hopefully,
Dehoy.
and get insurance.
Somebody gonna get her. She's been drinking way too much. Somebody get her. Because she's about to jump on that thing. Somebody some get her. Before she's gonna drink out of that thing.
No, that is Bubble Boy.
Wait, it looks like a crocodile should just jump out, or an old cannon.
Man, get out.
Somebody should get her.
This is why I was in front of you because you.
Hey, you can't. Levi, I'm filming. I don't want your butt getting in the way.
Why you decided to be slow?
I've been working on it since I got my own place. I'm working on summer. You just noticed now. Because, like, you know, with the pound.
My shirt. Oh, what was that?
They open up the water over there. It's about to come overflowing. They open the valve up or something. Uh-huh. Was that a week?
Levi! Come on. Come over here. It's like a sewer water fountain.
I like to see the green. So I wasn't sure.
Now, Levi, you want to see a baby crocodile?
Yeah. The ducks.
There's no way there's so many baby crocodiles.
Oh.
They're about to come out.
It needs to open up
No,
the
they're not.
chicken pen
Yes,
where
they
can,
are.
Run. You know, because I know it closed off.
I want to see a double water fountain.
All right, come on, kids.
Okay.
You just know what? There's no crocodiles. Man, you lied. No, I want to be in the skate park. How cool.
Okay.
No skate park. Please.
Somebody come get her, or I will come.
Mom, can we please let us someone animated me in an anime?
Wait, what's wrong with this?
I want to go to skate park. Jinx.
It's almost 6 o'clock. We're not on the skate park. I gotta go see Mom real quick.
Jinx a lot. Now you're
Somebody some get her.
Well, the good news is that the place that we're living at stays pretty warm. Like, it was all nice and warm in the house. And then since we went outside, it was freezing outside. I was like, damn. Yeah, so
Somebody
I got
some
used to
get
that. I
her.
was like, I guess this place is pretty good, but you
Bird.
because, you know, stays
Bird.
nice and
Bird!
warm. Get in the car.
Somebody some get her.
Yeah, that is stop. Yeah, the church is right there, so it's like
Somebody some get her.
and then after that, they pull down the protector
Nice.
and
Somebody some get her.
and then they take like the video I sent you. This is the video that they take.
right
So
there.
it's not, I mean, they're like, oh yeah, I'm the co-pastor, blah, blah. But we have a guest speaker today, Ashley so-and-so. And it was a guy who worked for Intel saying his story. Him and his wife
Somebody
about
go
how they used
get
to argue with money.
Bye.